Hey there, Hard Hat Holly at a Flip in LA. I wanted to show you what's going on with my roof here. This roof, when my contractor started tearing off the old roof, he discovered that it wasn't properly done and he had to add a new layer of sheeting to do it the right way. Then, during the inspection process, the lovely city of Los Angeles kind of screwed things up, and big surprise, the right departments don't talk to the right departments. And it took us a week, I think, to get our inspection on the sheeting before we could proceed to put the shingles on and the paper on. So with all the rains we've had, my contractor had to run out and buy plastic and cover it and protect it, which he did, thank goodness. Just one of those delays and problems that you could have when you're flipping a house, but not to be surprised when it happens, and be prepared to solve problems. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button to be notified of future videos by me. Go to the website hardhatholly.com to get your free download on how to find houses to flip for profits.